Why does my lower back hurt? What causes and treatments of lower back pain? Back pain, this is an ailment that many people all over the world suffer from. Among the people that suffer from this ailment, the majority of them suffer from lower back pain. This type of back pain can happen to anyone, at any time. It does not matter what age you are. What causes back pain? How can I make it stop hurting? There are many factors that we can say is the factor as to why we suffer from this ailment. One good answer is that the muscles in our lower back are either overworked or not worked enough. Some of the causes of lower back pain are spinal degeneration, ruptured or bulging discs, heavy lifting, sciatica, spinal stenosis, osteoporosis, and age. Your posture plays a very vital role in the care of your back. People with poor posture, sitting improperly, lifting or bending can almost assuredly develop lower back pain. This is why it is important to practice proper ergonomics. If you are suffering from lower back pain and are wondering how it can be treated, the answer is that the treatments will vary with each different individual and depend on how severe the pain is. If treated in a timely manner and done properly, surgery can be avoided in most cases. One of the first things that you want to do when you hurt your back is to place ice on the affected area for 15 minutes every few hours. In doing this for the first couple of days will help to avoid any swelling and can be the one thing that keeps the lower back pain from turning into something much more serious. If you suffer from lower back pain, seek out medical treatment. The first thing that the doctor will suggest is that you take some pain reliever and some anti-inflammatory medicine for a few days. After doing this, if you are not getting better, then visit the doctor again and he will want to take some x-rays. Once the x-rays are finished, unless the doctor has discovered something serious shows up, he will suggest physical therapy as a treatment. This therapy, though may feel painful when doing it, you will better for it in the long run. If you want to treat low back pain permanently, we offer a range of treatment options that do not require medication and will make you go away from lower back pain forever. Click link below in description to find a new solution for treating low back pain to disappear permanently. Don't forget to subscribe Kiwi Healthy channel to don't miss any good information for your health.